Ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to discuss a very crucial and very important topic. In today's topic, you will learn how to get focused mind. Lot of participants, lot of students and followers, they used to ask me, "Sir, we don't have a focused mind. We've got distraction problem. We are doing good work instantly. What happens? We are distracting. We are going somewhere else. Our mind is not in our control. What to do?" Today I'll be telling you the solution. Dear student, there are some factors. There are some components of your body. There are part of your body. They detract you. And I want to just mention your ears, your hands, your eyes, and your hearing. So all these come together, they create problem for you, because data mostly enter through them. So whatever you give to your subconscious, they are either coming through ears, eyes, hand, tongue, and whatever you repeating or talking or hearing, listening and talking again and again, it is it's just entering in your subconscious. Once it's entered in the subconscious, it can never ever be removed. It will become part of the conscious, either subconscious or unconscious. It will remain as it is. As the John Locke said, that our mind is a tabula rasa. Mind is just tabula rasa. It's a blank slate. You can write whatever you want. Once it's written, it will never be. You can take it in the unconscious, but it will remain there. So now our topic is how to control our mind. Once we are able to control our mind, it's very easy to achieve our goal. We want to achieve our goal. For that, we need mission. We need vision. Mission means where are you standing at the moment and where you have to go. Where you want to go and what you want to achieve is your vision. So make it clear. So our mission and our vision. And what's the distance and the ladder between mission and vision? We have to cover it. And how we are going to cover it? Can we cover with the scattered mind? Can we cover it by distracting ourselves? Or can we cover it by distraction or just changing our mind? Just have a wavered mind with baffled attitude, confused mind, unfocused mind. Can we achieve it? We can't achieve our mission, and from mission to our vision, it is a long journey. And you have to do it gradually. So it's not a one-day job. So you take medicine, you say that within one day I will be recovered. It's not possible, my dear. Even you need time to take medicine, and gradually you have to take, and then you have to just cover course, and after that you'll be getting the result. Same way, from mission to vision, we have to reach with focused mind. You want to pass CSS, you need comprehensive study. You have to gradually move. You have to make mission, and then from mission to you have to go to your vision. Where and what is your destination you have to achieve. For that you need strategy, you need technique, you need approach, you need a planning. And strategy, techniques, planning, all you put together and you apply. From mission to vision you go. And you talk about the companies like Google, or you talk about the Microsoft, you talk about Bill Gates, you talk about Jeff Bezos. Like these people, they have mission and vision in their mind, and then they have achieved their goal. No. So what are the things they are going to form your subconscious? You're chanting, you're chatting, you're hearing, you're listening, your colleagues, your partner, your movies, musics and friends, and your companies, your school, your thoughts, your neighbors, your books, your TV, your surrounding, your community, your culture, your parents, your friends, they all put together, they form your subconscious. And the data you receive from the subconscious, they will really affect your mind. If you want to get good result, change your friend. If you want to move towards right direction, change your friend. If you want to get success, sit with the successful people so that you form good habits. If you form good habits will ultimately form your future. So it all depends upon your habits, what kind of habit you form, and that ultimately form your future. Your future is totally depending upon your surrounding, your friends, your good habits that you form. If you are good reader, you can have a good knowledge. You are refining your subconscious. This way you can direct yourself, you can guide yourself, you can develop yourself, you can move towards right direction. So these things help you to achieve this task. First of all, control your ears, your eyes, your mouth, your tongue. So these things ultimately give data to your subconscious. Once we block it, like we block the negative things, we are not letting them enter in our subconscious, we will control ourselves. So our body will perform what we want to perform. Our hand will do what we want to do. So once you just leave it unchecked, leave it free, and it's just moving here and there, you are not controlled. Your mind is not being controlled by you. You don't have a remote in your hand, rather it is in the hand of somebody. Somebody is just rotating you here and there, just like a bus and like this machinery, and just playing with you because you have given your remote, your control in somebody's hand. So take the very first step you have to do, you have to take this remote in your hand. You have to operate this machinery which is called mind with your hand, so that you take benefit. Only one person that can make you successful, and this is only you, because you are very you are very sincere to yourself rather than somebody else. Somebody has nothing to do with your progress, with your development, with your vision. You have to control yourself, and that is how you can control. If you control your ears, your eyes, your hands, your mouth, because these are giving negative data to your mind. So once your mind is controlled, you can pass CSS, you can do PPSC, you can even do any degree, any work. The thing is that refine your mind, control your mind. And most of people, they fall in love, and after that they've got deception, and they are saying that we will never remind them, we will not think about them. For example, one girl, she been deceived by some flirtious boy. So what she'll say that I will never call this boy because she has deceived me, he is very bad, he is not good person, I will not think about it. But she is thinking about him. So once she is talking and she is doing self-pity on herself, and again she's thinking about the guy he had deceived her, and what will ultimately happen, she will never ever forget him. So the way to forget him, involve yourself in healthy activity, productive activity, constructive activity. Engage your mind so that your subconscious is formed with another thing. So this way you can control it, you can develop it, you can give good direction to your mind. Stay blessed and have a nice day.